guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Deekshita and I'm from Uttarakhand. If you are seeing this face for the very first time, then please don't leave without subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for 500 subscribers and let's get 2000 subscribers super soon. So don't forget to subscribe. Let's kickstart this festive season with a very nice, colorful and fun look that you can wear during Navratris or even Diwali if you want. I really like how this look came together and I love the eye makeup especially. So this is the look that I will be creating in this video and I'll show you step by step how I do it. So keep on watching to know how I did it. And if you recreate this look, then definitely tag me in your pictures or send them to me. I would love to see them. So yeah, if you like this video, then give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get to 1000 subscribers soon and share my channel with all your friends. And now without wasting more of your time, let's just get started. Don't forget to put on your lip balm before starting your makeup. So the first step is primer, and this is the primer that I'm using. It's from NELF. It's their HD high definition hydrating primer, and this is a silicone based primer, so it's very good. Now the second step is foundation, and I am using this foundation from Maybelline. It's the Fit Me foundation. It's a very good foundation for oily skin. So I'll be using a makeup sponge from Nykaa to blend this product in my skin. Just take it and dot it all over your skin and then just blend it with the sponge. Next, I'll be using a concealer from the same range. It's the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Light. I'll apply this in my dark circles. For blending this, I'm using this mini makeup puff that I got from Miniso, and I think it's a perfect size for things like concealer. I showed this in my Miniso haul that I did a few days ago, so you can check it out. Now I'll set this all with a face powder. This is from Maybelline. Now I'm using this bronzing powder to contour. I'll be using this angle brush to do this. Now using the same product in a less fluffier brush, like a thinner brush, I'll be using it to contour my nose. Now it's blush time. I'll be using this blush from Odbo. This is a very good blush and it works as a highlighter too. Now I'll take my brush, swirl it around, like get all the three products in it and apply it on the apples of my cheek. Now pinch the same brush to make it thinner and just take the highlighter part from the three shades and apply it on your cheekbones. This is such a jugadu technique to apply your highlighter, but it's definitely doing its job. So अगर आपके पास highlighter के लिए कोई particular brush नहीं है, तो आप ऐसे अपने brush लेके उसको साथ pinch करके thin बना के उससे भी highlighter apply कर सकते हैं. Just blend it all together so that you don't get any harsh lines. So I'm done with my face makeup and now we'll move on to our eyes. First of all, I'll do my brows. Take a spoolie, comb your brows in the upwards direction and just fill it with light strokes in the direction of your hair growth. Now I'll put on a clear lash gel over the eyebrows so that they stay on fleek all night while you're dancing. I'll be using this palette from Makeup Revolution. It's their Pro HD palette. So first take this reddish brownish color and apply it all over your crease and make an outer V. Now take this light brown camel kind of a shade and apply it just on the outer part to make it a little darker. Don't forget to blend all the colors together. You don't want any lines showing, you just want everything blended seamlessly. Now I'm doing a pop of color with the sea green. So just take your finger and pack this in your eyelids. Now take another fluffy brush and blend the brown with the blue. There should not be any harsh line differentiating both the shades. Now again, if you feel like adding more color, then you can build it up and pack more color in your skin with a flat brush like this. Just take the brush and apply the color on your eyelid. And again, don't forget to blend everything together. Now take the same reddish brown shade that you applied all over your lid and put it on your lower lash line to tie the entire look together. There will be a lot of fallout from the eyeshadow on your under eye area and your cheeks. So make sure that you clean it with a fluffy brush. Now I'm lightly putting some kajal on the lower lash line. I'm taking a highlighting shade from the same palette and I'll put it on my brow bones and on the inner corners of my eyes to just make it more bright. So just coat on some layer of mascara on your eyelashes. So you can see after putting on the mascara, the entire look has come together so perfectly. Now the next step is lipstick. Since I have such a colorful eyes going on, I'll balance it with a nude lipstick. So I'll put a mauve nude kind of shade and I'll be mixing these two lip crayons from Sugar for that. Now the last step is setting spray, and don't skip this part because you will be having this makeup on for a longer time, so you want it to last longer. Also it's a little humid, so you don't want it to melt off or something, so put on a setting spray. And yeah, we're done with the entire makeup look. This is how it looks like. So we're done with our makeup, and this is how the makeup turned out. I think it looks beautiful, and I especially love how the eye makeup turned out. I am so in love with this makeup right now, and I wish I had somewhere to go after shooting this and not just remove it and go to my gym. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!